if you're experiencing the installation loop error 2026 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Close all applications and restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your network, or try using a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi. Step 3. Run Battle, Net as administrator. Right-click on the Battle, Net launcher and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Clear Battle, Net cache. Navigate to the Battle, Net folder on your computer. Delete the cache folder to clear any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. Restart the launcher afterward. Step 5. Reinstall Overwatch 2. If the problem persists, uninstall Overwatch 2 from your system and then reinstall it through the Battle, Net launcher. This can resolve any installation issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop error and enjoy playing Overwatch 2 again. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.